Good morning, my dear children. This is Tarangani. Welcome back to EVS class, children. Let us start today's session. Children, today we are going to complete the textbook part and notebook. Today I am going to give you notes also. Okay, first we'll complete the textbook part. Okay, children. Next, this is page number 76 in your EVS textbook, children. Page number 76. Something to do. Fill in the blanks. Okay, we have to fill the blanks. Dash things can move on their own. What are the things they can move, children? Non-living things or non-living things? Living things. So we have to write here living. 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 Okay, next one. Living things can dash and change. Living things can grow and change. Okay, living things can grow and change. GROW, grow. GROW, grow. Okay, third one. Non-living things dash give birth to their young ones. Non-living things dash give birth to their young ones. Non-living things cannot. They can't give birth. So non-living things cannot give birth to their young ones. So we have to write here cannot. CANNOT, cannot. Okay, CANNOT, cannot. Fourth one. Living things need air to dash. For what we need air, children? For breathe. Living things need air to breathe. BREATHE, breathe. Okay, BREATHE, breathe. Fifth one. Dash things cannot grow. What are the things they cannot grow, children? Non-living things they cannot grow. So we have to write here non-living. NON, non. LIVING, living. NON, non. LIVING, living. Non-living things cannot grow. Okay, children? Children, this is page number 77 in your EVS textbook. Okay, see what they given here. All living things grow. We learned already. All living things grow. Number these pictures in the correct order. So step by step how they will grow we have to show. Okay, first one. First small seed will come. Yes or no? So this is the first one. Next, from the small tiny plant will come outside. Yes or no? Then next it will grow. Okay, so this is the first one, this is second, this is third. Okay, next one. Here chick is there, egg is there, egg was broken here. So first, what is the first? Egg. Hen will lay egg. Okay, first one. Second one, when the hen hatch that egg, the egg will broke and that chick will come outside. Yes or no? So this is next, number 2. Slowly the chick will grow. Yes or no? This is the third one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Next, see this here. See here. So first baby will born. Yes or no? Boy, baby. Next, slowly he will grow as a child. Next, will grow as a man. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, children. Children, this is page number 78 in your EVS textbook. Okay, look carefully at the picture. Here they given one picture. Look carefully the picture given below and complete the sentences using the terms living and non-living. Okay, so boy is a dash thing, children. Boy is a living thing. He can grow, he can change, he will eat, he will die, he will give. So boy is a living thing. So we have to write here LIVING, living. LIVING, living. Next, number 2. Tree. Tree is a living thing, children, or non-living thing? Yeah, trees also will grow. They'll give us fruits. So tree is a living thing. So we are writing here living. LIVING, living. Okay, LIVING, living. Third one, the sun is a non-living thing. Sun, it cannot grow. A sun, it cannot give birth. Okay, so sun is a non-living thing. NON, non. LIVING, living. Non-living. Fourth one, hill is a living thing. Is it correct, children? No. Hill is a non-living thing. So what we have to write here? Non-living. Hill is a non-living thing. NON, non. LIVING, living. Non-living. NON, non. Living, living, non-living. Butterfly is a dash thing, children. Butterfly is a living thing. Butterfly is a living thing. It can grow, it can die, it will eat. So butterfly is a living thing. Living, living. Living, living. Okay, children. Sixth one. Boat is a living thing or non-living thing, children? Boat is a living thing. N-O-N, non living thing or non-living? Say, bird is a non-living thing. Listen carefully, children, what I am saying. Bird is a non-living thing. N-O-N, non. Living, living, non-living thing. Bird is a non-living thing. Okay? Children, now we'll write notes. Okay? All of you open your notebooks. Sharpen your pencils. Write neatly, children. Don't forget, first letter should be capitals. Okay? After each and every word, you should give gap also. Okay? First one, start writing now, everyone. Lesson number 9, living things or non-living things. Living, living. Things, things. Living, living. Things. Living things or non-living things. Non, non. Living, living. Non-living. Non, non. Living, non-living. Things. 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 Living things or non-living things. First, Roman number 1. New words. N-E-W, new. W-O-R-D-S, words. New words. N-E-W, new. W-O-R-D-S, words. New words. Okay, first one. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. Okay, 2. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Okay, third one. S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special. S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special. Fourth one. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. Fifth one. M-O-V-E, move. M-O-V-E, move. Sixth one. G-R-O-W, grow. G-R-O-W, grow. Seventh one. C-H-A-N-G-E, change. C-H-A-N-G-E, change. Eighth one. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. Ninth one. Y-O-U-N-G, eng. Y-O-U-N-G, eng. Tenth one. B-I-R-T-H, birth. B-I-R-T-H, birth. Okay, children? Children, I will write question answers. Okay? Roman number 2, question answers. First one. What are living things? Okay? W-H-A-T, what? W should be capital, children. Okay? Finger space. A-R-E-R. A-R-E-R. Finger space. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. Finger space. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Question mark. Okay? Answer. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Finger space. W-H-I-C-H, which. W-H-I-C-H, which. Finger space. C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. Finger space. G-R-O-W, grow. G-R-O-W, grow. Finger space. A-N-D, end. A-N-D, end. Okay. C-H-A-N-G-E, change. C-H-A-N-G-E, change, comma. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe, comma, E-A-T, eat, E-A-T, eat, comma, D-I-E, die, D-I-E, die, A-N-D, and, G-I-V-E, give, G-I-V-E, give, B-I-R-T-H, birth, B-I-R-T-H, birth, finger space, T-O-2, T-O-2, finger space, Y-O-U-N-G, eng, Y-O-U-N-G, eng, finger space, O-N-E-S, once, O-N-E-S, once, finger space, A-R-E-R, A-R-E-R, finger space, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, finger space, L-I-V-I-N-G, living, L-I-V-I-N-G, living, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, full stop. Things which can grow and change, breathe, eat, die, and give birth to young ones are called living things. Okay, children? Next, number 2, children. Question number 2. Name any 5 living things. We should write now here 5 living things. Okay, children? Number 2, N-A-M-E, name. N-A-M-E, name. Finger space. A-N-Y-N-E. A-N-Y-N-E. Finger space. F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Finger space. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. Finger space. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things, question mark. Name any 5 living things. Okay, children, answer. First one, B-I-R-D, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Second one, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Third one, M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. Fourth one, D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Fifth one, B-A-B-Y, baby. B-A-B-Y, baby. Okay. Next, number 3, children. Okay. Question number 3. Name any 5 non-living things. Okay. N-A-M-E, name. N-A-M-E, name. Finger space. A-N-Y-N-E. A-N-Y-N-E. Finger space. F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Finger space. N-O-N, non. N-O-N, non. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. L-I-V-I-N-G, living, non-living things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things, question mark. Name any 5 non-living things. Okay, children, first one. C-H-A-I-R, chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. 2. T-A-B-L-E, table. T-A-B-L-E, table. Third one. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Fourth one. C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. Fifth one. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. Okay, children? Children, now I'll give you one assignment. Okay? Learn and write question answers one time neatly. Did you understand, children, what I'm giving? Learn and write question answers one time neatly and send to me. Okay? Thank you, children.